Paris. The name alone evokes a sense of wonder and excitement. It's a city that has inspired countless artists, writers, and dreamers. From its iconic landmarks to its charming streets, Paris is a place where history and modernity coexist in perfect harmony. Just the name conjures up images: romance, history, delicious food. Picture yourself strolling hand in hand with a loved one, the Eiffel Tower standing tall in the background. Imagine exploring centuries-old landmarks that tell the story of a city rich in culture and heritage. And of course, savoring the exquisite flavors of French cuisine, from delicate pastries to hearty meals. This city has it all. The bustling streets are filled with life, from the quaint cafes where locals sip their morning coffee to the vibrant markets brimming with fresh produce and artisanal goods. Every corner of Paris has a story to tell, and every street offers a new adventure. Paris is called the City of Lights, but it's also the City of Charm. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a magical wonderland, with its streets and landmarks illuminated in a warm golden glow. The charm of Paris is undeniable, and it's a place that captivates the hearts of all who visit. Whether it's your first trip or your 10th, Paris is always a good idea. Wander along the Seine. The gentle flow of the river, the historic bridges, and the picturesque views make it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a romantic boat ride. The Seine River is the lifeblood of Paris, and it offers a unique perspective of the city's beauty. Enjoy a croissant at a sidewalk cafe. There's nothing quite like the simple pleasure of sitting at a Parisian cafe, watching the world go by as you savor a freshly baked croissant and a cup of rich, aromatic coffee. It's a quintessential Parisian experience that captures the essence of the city's laid-back lifestyle. Get lost in the Louvre Museum. Home to thousands of works of art, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa, the Louvre is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. Spend hours wandering its vast halls, discovering the beauty and history that each piece holds. The Louvre is not just a museum, it's a journey through time and creativity. Paris will capture your heart. The city's romantic ambiance, stunning architecture, and rich cultural heritage make it a place like no other. Whether you're exploring its famous landmarks or simply enjoying a quiet moment by the Seine, Paris has a way of making you fall in love with it over and over again. This guide will help you plan your trip. We will cover everything. From the best times to visit to the must-see attractions, we'll provide you with all the information you need to make the most of your Parisian adventure. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, our guide will ensure that you experience the very best of Paris. You'll learn about the best time to visit, discover delicious local foods. Paris is a city for all seasons, each offering its own unique charm. From the blooming flowers of spring to the festive lights of winter, there's always something to see and do. And of course, no visit to Paris would be complete without indulging in its world-renowned cuisine. We'll guide you to the best spots to enjoy authentic French dishes. We'll explore the iconic sights. The Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame, Sacré-Cœur, and the Arc de Triomphe are just a few of the landmarks that define the Parisian skyline. Each of these iconic sites has its own story and significance, and we'll take you on a journey to discover their history and beauty. And we'll uncover hidden gems. Get ready, your Parisian adventure awaits. Beyond the well-trodden paths lie hidden courtyards, charming alleyways, and lesser-known spots that offer a glimpse into the true soul of Paris. We'll help you discover these hidden gems, ensuring that your trip is filled with unforgettable moments and unique experiences. So, pack your bags and get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime in the City of Lights. Paris has 4 distinct seasons. Each season brings its own unique charm and character to the city, making it a year-round destination for travelers. Whether you're strolling along the Seine in spring or sipping hot chocolate in a cozy cafe during winter, Paris offers something special in every season. Knowing the weather will help you pack. It's essential to check the forecast before you go, as Parisian weather can be quite unpredictable. A well-packed suitcase can make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Let's break down what you need for each season. Spring, from March to May, is lovely. The temperatures are mild and flowers are in bloom. Bring layers, as the mornings and evenings can be cool. A light jacket, a few sweaters, and long-sleeve shirts will keep you comfortable. Don't forget an umbrella, as spring showers are common. Comfortable walking shoes are a must, as you'll want to explore the city's parks and gardens, which are bursting with color this time of year. Summer from June to August is warm and sunny. It's a great time to enjoy outdoor cafes. Pack light clothing and comfortable shoes. Don't forget sunscreen and a hat. The days are long and the city is alive with festivals and events. A pair of sunglasses will protect your eyes from the bright sun, and a reusable water bottle will keep you hydrated as you explore. Evenings can be a bit cooler, so a light sweater or shawl can be handy. Autumn from September to November brings colorful foliage. The weather is crisp and cool. Pack layers, including a light jacket or sweater. This is the perfect season for fashion, so feel free to bring stylish scarves and boots. The city's parks and streets are adorned with vibrant autumn colors, making it a picturesque time to visit. A small foldable umbrella can be useful, as rain showers are not uncommon. Winter from December to February is chilly and can be damp. A warm coat, hat, gloves, and scarf are essential. It might snow, so be prepared. Layering is key to staying warm, so pack thermal wear and thick socks. Winter in Paris has its own magic, with festive lights and holiday markets. Don't forget to bring a good pair of waterproof boots to keep your feet dry and warm as you wander through the city's winter wonderland. Paris is a foodie's paradise. Get ready for delicious bread, pastries, and cheese. Start your day with a croissant and coffee. For lunch, try a classic croquet monsieur, which is a ham and cheese sandwich. Dinner might include steak frites or coq au vin, which is chicken and wine. Don't miss the opportunity to visit a local market. Sample fresh produce, cheese, and charcuterie. Pick up a baguette for a picnic lunch. Remember, the legal drinking age in France is 18, and it's customary to say bonjour when entering a shop or restaurant. Paris is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks. The Eiffel Tower is a must-see. Take the elevator or climb the stairs to the top. The views are breathtaking. Visit the Arc de Triomphe. This iconic arch honors French military victories. You can climb to the top for panoramic city views. Notre Dame Cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. While currently under renovation, it's still worth seeing from the outside. Explore the Louvre Museum. Home to the Mona Lisa, Venus de Milo, and countless other treasures, it's a must for art lovers. Section 5. Artistic treasures, museums, and masterpieces. Paris is a city of art and culture. Its streets are filled with artists capturing the essence of the city, and its museums are treasure troves of history and creativity. From the grand halls of the Louvre to the intimate galleries scattered throughout the city, Paris offers an unparalleled artistic experience. Beyond the Louvre, there are countless museums to explore. Each one offers a unique perspective on art and history, making Paris a haven for art lovers. The Louvre itself is a masterpiece, with its iconic glass pyramid and vast collection of art spanning centuries. The Musée d'Orsay houses an impressive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist art. See works by Monet, see works by Renoir. The museum housed in a former railway station is a work of art in itself, with its grand architecture and stunning views of the Seine. See works by Van Gogh. His vibrant colors and emotional depth are on full display, offering a glimpse into the mind of one of history's most famous artists. The Musée d'Orsay's collection of Van Gogh's works is one of the most comprehensive in the world. Visit the Musée Picasso for a glimpse into the life and work of the famous Spanish artist. The museum is located in the historic Marais district in a beautiful 17th-century mansion. It houses over 5,000 works by Picasso, including paintings, sculptures, and drawings. For something different, check out the Musée Rodin. This museum is dedicated to the works of the French sculptor Auguste Rodin. The museum's garden is a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city, filled with Rodin's sculptures. Admire sculptures like The Thinker. This iconic sculpture is one of Rodin's most famous works, representing a man deep in thought. The Musée Rodin offers a unique opportunity to see this and many other sculptures up close. Admire sculptures like The Kiss. This beautiful sculpture captures a moment of passion and is one of Rodin's most celebrated works. The Musée Rodin's collection is a testament to the artist's skill and creativity. Don't forget to explore the many art galleries in the Marais district. This historic neighborhood is home to a vibrant art scene, with galleries showcasing everything from contemporary art to classic masterpieces. You'll find everything from contemporary art to antique prints. The Marais district is a melting pot of artistic styles and eras, making it a must-visit for any art lover. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge contemporary pieces or timeless classics, the galleries in the Marais have something for everyone. Section 6. Parisian Soul, Culture and Lifestyle. Parisians are known for their chic style and love of the arts. Soak up the city's unique culture. Stroll along the Champs-Élysées. This famous avenue is lined with shops, cafes, and theaters. Spend an evening at the Moulin Rouge. This iconic cabaret offers a dazzling spectacle of music, dance, and costumes. Relax in the Luxembourg Gardens. These beautiful gardens are perfect for a picnic or a leisurely walk. Observe the locals. Notice how they dress, interact, and enjoy their city. You might even pick up a few French phrases. Section 7. Navigating the city. Getting around with ease. Paris has an excellent public transportation system. The metro is the fastest and easiest way to get around. It covers the entire city. Buses are a good option for shorter distances. They offer a different perspective on the city. Consider renting a Velib's bike. These self-service bikes are a fun way to explore the city at your own pace. Walking is a great way to discover hidden gems. Just be sure to wear comfortable shoes. Section 8. Beyond the guidebook. Hidden gems and local experiences. Venture off the beaten path to discover a different side of Paris. Explore the charming neighborhood of Montmartre. Visit the Sacré-Cœur Basilica and enjoy the street artists' performances. Get lost in the Latin Quarter. This historic area is home to the Sorbonne University and bustling with student life. Take a cooking class. Learn the secrets of French cuisine from a local chef. Attend a concert or show. From classical music to jazz, there's something for everyone. Section 9. Your Parisian adventure begins. Plan your trip. Paris is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden gems, there's something for everyone. Now it's your turn. Start planning your Parisian adventure today. Don't forget to like this post and share it with your friends. And be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. Your journey begins now.